We have another iPhone in for repair. This is an iPhone X and it's in for a new screen. We've had a few people now ask us what this device is, and it's basically a device that reads the true tone data off the screen. So true tone is a lighting feature on your iPhone that adjusts brightness and the colors based on your surroundings. You've probably never noticed the true tone settings working, but one way of figuring out is if you are in a bright light area, you realize that your color screen will change and your brightness will increase, and if you're in a dark room or a dark area, your brightness will decrease and the color will also change, maybe go a little bit yellowy.